Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Thursday the 15th of June. I'm Nigel Croft. In this short video we'll be looking at the charts on the S&P-500. What we'll see that is in the short term that upside momentum has been lost. On the daily it could very well be a flag, so be aware of that, and the key support for the short term is at 24.10. So on the daily, you can see that we've had a consolidation. Sorry, I'll just turn off the cursor. We've had a consolidation over the last couple of days. That has given the RSI a downtick and is now in a downtrend. Still showing positive momentum because it's at 54.67, so still above 50, but a warning sign coming out of there. The MACD as well, the short term just dipped below the longer term, and so another warning sign coming out on the as a momentum indicator. On the spot, you can see that on the pre-market trade today, we are down at the 20-day moving average. That will give support, and the picture at the moment still could very much be a flag, a sideways move before the next upward move. But we'll have to wait and see, and the flag can be extended for a period of time. It's good that we're at the support of the moving average. Even if this support doesn't hold, the 50 days soon coming up. And remember that we did have this golden cross on the moving averages back in early May, and so that was positive for the medium-term trend. Looking at the weekly, the longer-term trend, you can see that the moving average is all moving up. RSI still indicative of positive momentum, and perhaps the only slight warning sign is that the MACD is starting to track down somewhat, so indicative that the consolidation may continue. On the short term, this is looking at the 4-hour picture. Here you can see that the consolidation looks slightly worse. We're back at a support. We've moved below the 20 and the 50-hour moving averages. You can see they're both tracking downwards, having crossed in a downward direction as a bearish signal. We are at a support at 24.20. If that doesn't hold, then we would come back and test this key support, which is at the 24.10 level. And looking at the support resistances, resistance on the upside is at the 54-hour average 24.33, and then at 46.2, with supports at the 20-day 24.20.7, where we're at the moment virtually. Key support obviously below there on the 4-hour chart is at 24.10, and then on the daily chart at 24.03.6. So that's been TA for Traders, having a look at the S&P 500 index. The key elements to watch on the index are that it's losing upside momentum. However, it is at the support of the 20-day moving average at the moment. On the daily, the picture could still be a flag. Be aware of that, and that would signify further upside to come. However, in the short term, the chart is indicative of a drift, with the key support on the short-term 4-hour chart being at 24.10. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found it of interest. Please remember that these videos are for educational purposes only and are my opinions, and in no way are they meant as an investment recommendation. Thank you.